How to change your age on YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the YouTube application on a device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now as you're logged into your account, what you can simply do is tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and simply select on Google account option. So as you tap on Google account, it will take us to this new page where you can see the option of personal info at the top of the screen. Select on that. Now you can see the option of birthday. Simply select on the birthday option, and as you tap on birthday, now you'll be able to change your birth date, your year, your month, and so on, so that this will be able to make a change on your age as well. So you can simply select on birthday over here and you can now change it. So I'm going to select a new year, then tap on save, confirm. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.